Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update. Inflation is going down. CPI data came today, and year over year, we got from 8.2% to 7.7%. Huge decrease, and core inflation rate also slightly decreased from 6.6 to 6.3%. Month over month, inflation rate remain flat, but core inflation also going lower from 0.6 to 0.3. So lower than the previous one, but still going up. That combined with the fact that initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims came higher than the previous one and hotter than expected means that the labor market, the people claiming being jobless is going higher, and that's good for the Fed and good for the current situation because maybe interest rate hikes are not going to be hiked as expected. If we check the Fed tool, we see a big change. So analysts are pricing in only 25% increase in basis points, 0.25. Previously, it was 50-50 in between 25 and 50. Right now, 85% are expecting 25 basis points, 50 points. So the market reacted very, very bullish. If we see this impressive move on the news, this is 1 minute, by the way, we waited the open, and basically in the open, as you can see, higher lows, higher highs, slowly going higher. But right now, look at this. TQQQ, 17% in the green. SPI, 4.3%. Small caps, 5.3%. Nasdaq, 5.8%. 11% Amazon. Look at this. Consumer discretionary is being pushed like crazy. I was saying this morning with my short, I uploaded a short saying, be careful, Apple is selling off, Tesla are selling off. Well, Tesla is in its own world now that Elon Musk is selling a lot of shares of Tesla. But consumer discretionary, look at this. Amazon, big push. Nvidia, look at this. Breaking up and filling the gap and going crazy on the recovery. So markets are super bullish today. Look at this daily candle. Wow. Now we are in good shape to start destroying all this resistance that we have up here. Dollar minus 1%. Look at this flash. Beautiful. Through 109 level and making a strong move to the downside. Look at this candle getting smashed. 2 year and 10 years minus 5 and minus 6%. Yields are also going lower. We don't see 5% in April next year anymore. We came lower and we are right now at 4.82%. Treasury bonds, look at this big, huge gap. Now at the point of interest, look at this daily level and waiting for the breakout up. This is quite a good point for the breakout, now breaking the daily pivot. And high yield corporate bonds also pushing higher. Look at this bounce, and we are now looking for this pivot to be broken. So Nasdaq was trending all day. If you have the opportunity to trade the news, those were holding quite good. Look at this EMA, more or less holding the stock, but Nasdaq, since the open, check this out. Since the open, we've been price range. Since the open, this is open to now is 0.93%. But the move that we got on the news was like this to this, 4.4%. So we were super high, super extended. So it's normal that we have to grind a little bit, so there's no big momentum. The most that we've been up as it's been 1.25%. But manage your expectations. Today is a very good day, but if you miss the initial move, be careful not buying the top. And quite a nice day, to be honest. Super happy, I think super confident, and waiting for tomorrow. What we have tomorrow? So we have to go back to economic calendar. Tomorrow we have consumer sentiment, and that's all. So we are expecting at least flat on the sentiment. Michigan consumer sentiment will come out 30 minutes after the open. So if we continue on this trend in which inflation is going down, jobless claims are going up, and consumer sentiment is being lower, is being bearish, and we see demand destruction, we can end the week, and also in the upcoming weeks, we can be super strong, breaking up new resistance levels that we've been basically sideways for weeks. Look at this. We've been in this chop going down, up, down, up, down. Now we are in a very big point, critical point for us. So this is gone, and we are remained. I think this can be like this, and this can be like this. So we have more or less this wedge that we broke out on the S&Ps, and on the Nasdaq we are a little bit weaker, but destroying this previous resistance. If we check the 2-hour, this candle is enormous. So what we can expect for tomorrow and end of the week? Today 11,500 was, I think, super expected. I was targeting that, but this slow grind killed my interest. But we reached 11,498. So 500 psychological, and we can see a bigger move tomorrow. If consumer sentiment comes lower, we can see the break of 11,600 and start reclaiming all these weeks, all these highs during regular market hours that we put in previous days, Fridays and Tuesdays. These two moves need to broke, and then we have a lot of space to the upside to bring momentum and to start building a bullish sentiment overall. I think it's a good time to be prepared for the bullish sentiment because we have economic data supporting our sentiment. So be prepared. I hope you have good trade opportunities, but don't forget about, let's take a look to crude oil. We rejected higher pricing and we are now bouncing. Natural gas, we rejected higher pricing and we are pulling back. What else is interesting? Copper. Copper is continuing to the upside. I mentioned in previous videos that copper, commodities, copper, gold, silver are leading indicators, early signs of recovery. And look at this, copper continuing to the upside after the breakout, daily breakout. Gold, look at this push. This is unbelievable. This is super good push. And also silver, it's also continuing to the upside for this breakout. So I'm quite bullish, to be honest. And if tomorrow we get a nice Michigan consumer sentiment, we can end the week on a very, very high note. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, you can comment down below and I will try to respond to all of you. If you found this video useful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Remember, I upload new videos every single day for market forecast, market updates, and market recap. I appreciate your time and see you in a couple of hours with the market recap. Remember, the trading day is not over yet. We have an amazing trending day, but discipline and risk management are key for success. Don't forget that. Stay safe, everyone, and see you later with the market recap.